Okay, see here we have 9 types of programs, right? Please make these points. Sometimes like this 1 and I and M, F, S, J, K, P, L, these things won't visible in some other servers. Don't get confusion, because these are the settings based on the basis team. So don't compare this. See, existing server I see like this, but this server it is not showing. Like, don't fight with them. Just you should remember that these program names. Okay, this is also one interview question. How many types of programs we have in SAP? Okay, please make a note this. Finish it now.
Yes, sir.
See, out of these 9 programs, now we are going to generate first one, executable program. Okay, whichever the program you want to generate, you have to select this and click on save. Click on save here. Here you have to provide your package name. Okay, ZMM2. This is my package. Just I'm saving this. Just I'm saving in my package. But this is another one's ID is showing. But I want to generate mine own. This is here for report programs. All report programs I can generate here. Okay, here above here for report programs by Satvik, your name. Okay, then continue, save. This is a real-time process we will do in the companies. Okay, see, the screen will come like this. Okay, by seeing this itself we can say that we are in the reports, we are in the report. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So then we need to declare the variables. We need to declare the variables. In the initial class I told you, right, there are the different types of variables are there: fixed variables and
Fixed variables and the
and
and
sorry,
Hexadecimal.
how many types of variables we have?
we have three, that is fixed data types, fixed and variable.
Yes, fixed data types and variable data types.
Variable data.
So what are the variable data types? Like what are the fixed variables? Whatever the variables are there in the language, so those variables we need to declare here. So variable is nothing but declaring a variable. Put side heading declaring a variable. Declaring a variable. How we will declare the variable? Declaring a variable. Where please take a point. Variable is a temporary area where it can store a single value. Variable is a temporary area where it can store a single value. Where it can store single value. And the next point, for declaring variable, we will use the keyword data. Data keyword we will use. The next point is the keyword we will, for declaring a variable, we will use data keyword. We will use data keyword. For this, the syntax. How we will declare that? Syntax. Syntax is data and here your variable name, okay, and type here data type, here data type, here data type. You can use, if you want to use data type also it will accept, and even data element. With the help of data element also we can generate variables, and even database table hyphen field, table hyphen field also we can use. Anyone, there is no hard and fast rule to use only always data type, only always data element, only always like a database type hyphen field name. Okay, in programming, while declaring variables, no, we will use all these type of three things. I will show one by one each. Okay, how we can use the things. Okay, and note here, one more note. See, after declaring your variable, no, at the end of the point, it should be concluded with a dot. Always you should keep it as dot. Why dot is required? I will show that one also. Okay, just one note you can make it that every statement concluded with the dot. Every statement concluded with the dot. See, the same syntax I am using in the coding. Okay, see here. The same syntax I am using. Just I am commented now. This one won't execute. Okay, for your purpose, just I am using this. Okay, this is a syntax we will use. See, I am using same. Now data is my statement like a keyword. Okay, I am using variable name. My variable name is, just I am using var variable 1. Okay, and type, this is I am taking that Data type. What is the data type I'm using? C.
Use data.
Okay. And one more variable I'm using. Data. This is variable 2. Okay. It is a type integer and concluded with dot. You are getting?
Yes.
So one more variable I am declaring. Data. Okay. Now I am declaring that data element I want to provide. For that, just I am taking LV. LV is nothing but local. In real time, we will use like LV. LV in the sense local variable. Local variable. LV var variable. LV variable. It's a type. LV variable type. Okay. And here I am using name 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 one. One field is data element. That data element I am using. Just after declaring your data statements, just save. Again check syntax. You have to activate it and continue. See, it is in active mode now. Previously it was in new, right? You have to do activation, then only your program will execute. Okay, like this you have to declare the variables. Okay, and one more thing. See, I want to show the output. For showing output means for displaying the output, we need in SAP we will use that keyword write. Write keyword we will use. Okay, for displaying output, write keyword we will use. For displaying output, we will use write keyword. Write is a keyword. Take notes for this. Write is a keyword. Write is a keyword. It will use to display the output. It will use to display the output. It will use to display the output. Write is a keyword. It is used to display the output. Done. See, now I am using the same write statement down here. Write. But what are the words? If you are using words now, those words should be in inverted commas. It should be inverted commas like this. See here I am writing. This is first program. This is first program. Whatever the you are writing now, those things should be in inverted commas and you have to provide concluded with full stop dot. Okay, see again each and every operation you have to save, check syntax and activate it and continue. Done. Okay, now see I'm executing this. How to execute? Now put side heading for executing of the report. Executing means executing of the report. How we will execute now? Here one button is there after like beside of the activation, one button is there. You're able to see direct processing. If you click direct processing here, then it will execute. See, the first demo program we created title, right? That title will come here. Whatever the title you provided there, that title will come here, as well as in the top also it will come. And see, this is a keyword. Just now we used this a sentence in the write statement, right?
Yes.
But you may ask like, sir, you told like report is nothing but it is taking input, but it is giving output. But we are not giving any input, simply it is coming output, right? This is a sample program we are writing. In the coming days you will come to know that what is input, how it will process inside. Okay, sample program, just I'm explaining sample things. First I will explain sample, then you can go with in depth. Okay, and you understood, right? What is the use of write statement? So here we need to see, here variables we declared, but it is temporarily, it can hold some value, right? Single value it can hold. How to assign this, how to assign values to these variables? How we will assign, in the sense we will assign the, see, now I'm assigning, this is a variable. Okay, for this I am assigning a, for this I am assigning a is a character, this character value I am assigning, and full stop. Okay, and here this is a variable 1, right? And here variable 2 I am assigning integer number 10. Okay, and here lv underscore var I am assigning one name I am assigning. Okay, again save, check any syntax is there, and activate it. See, I will show that why this like a colon is required. See, I am removing this colon. After Raju I am removing colon. Check syntax, save and check syntax. See what is error is coming.
Dot expected.
The advantage of SAP like ABAP is system will give error, even system will give solution also, but you have to analyze that error. Syntax error, this is a syntax error. System dot, you should provide it. System only saying that dot expected after Raj word, just you can provide here dot. System only suggesting that just provide dot and save, check syntax again, and activate it. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is equal is the operator, it will take the values. Equal is operator, it will take the values. Okay, why dot is need to provide, you know, it will give the syntax errors. If you are not providing dot, no, it will give the syntax errors. See, now I want to show this variable Raju name in the output. How we will provide? See here, write lv underscore var. You should, after write statement, you can provide your variable name. What are the variable you want to show in the output, that variable name you can provide. Again save, check syntax, and activate it. Now I am activated this program. This is active now. Okay, then execute this direct processing. See, Raju is coming here, but now this Raju I want to show in the down. I want to show in the down. How you will show? If you're not, for this purpose, we need to use the keyword. The letter is this one, slash, backward slash, not forward slash, backward slash. You are getting this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So here we will get these details with the backward slash. See, again we will check once again, save, check, and activate it. Now each and every time after activation only system will generate the output. Okay, see, Raju came down. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So like this we will generate in the real-time applications. Okay, and one more time, one more I will explain. See, we are writing this many times, right? This one, instead of writing this many times, we can write with the single. How? With the chain operator. We can write single. Like, see, chain operator I'm using. See, wherever you are doing mistake, no, system will give the red color. Red color is nothing but you are doing mistake. System only will give that red color. Okay. Now I'm using LV underscore variable one. It's a type C. Here, this is I am mentioning that this variable type C is nothing but only one character will take. But I want to take this length of 10 characters. Then you can provide here. Like this, you have to provide 10 characters length and LV underscore variable 2. It's a type. I will take string, comma. So here full stop is a that statement. We can say that if you're there full stop in the sense that statement is finished. This comma is nothing but we can generate another statement. LV underscore variable 3. It's a type. Name one underscore GP. This is a data element. It is there. If you put here no full stop, then system will say that instead of each and every time if you write a data statement like this also you can write with the chain operator. You can write how many variables you want. You can declare. But in a C language or some other languages, how we will write how we will declare the variables? Like see, int I comma j comma p comma q, right? You will declare like this and put like a semicolon here, right? And again, if you want to create a float value, you declare like this, right? Float s comma q comma r comma, like this we will generate, right? The same thing we are generating these variables in the C++ The same thing we are declaring here, but here only integers we are declaring together and float values we are declaring together. But here, with the help of data statement, whatever the data type, it will take the values. We can declare whatever the data types, we can declare easily. See, here we are declaring this is a character data type. Here we are declaring this is a string data type. Here we are declaring this variable is a standard field data type, right? Inside it is referring character only. Instead of character, we are writing like this. Got it? If you declare like this also, system will accept. If you declare like this also, system will accept. Both will accept. Is it clear? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Praveen.
No.
Is it clear? You have any doubt over here? Please let me know now only, so I can explain one more time. Like
Clear
semi, with the help of semicolon also we can generate multiple. Okay, keep it in mind. And here, see, now I am passing. This is a variable 2, right? Okay, this is a variable 2 I am passing here in the down lv underscore variable 2. Here I am passing this is string. String means it's like a string we can accept, right? So I am writing this is demo program. Just one string I am passing here. Okay, see, I am not giving any dot here. Just save. See, check syntax, what it is saying. Dot is expected after this demo program. By seeing this error itself, you can come to know that where we need to keep the dot. If you miss the even equal operator also, it will say that. See, dot I am giving here now. Okay, and I'm removing this equal operator. Save again, check syntax. What it is saying that the statement lv var is not defined, check your spelling. System only will give the error. See, but the equal operator should be here, right? But it is cursor is only saying that before. So wherever you are getting error now, the before line statement, it will give the cursor directly. No need to go in tech, no need to check each and every time. Okay, just keep it in mind. Check syntax again and activate it. Like this you have to write. I want to show this variable 2 again. See, here I can give comma, and here I will write this lv underscore variable 2. But here it is showing red. Why, you know? I missed that right statement.
Right check.
See, here still it is showing red. Red in the sense the before line I am getting error. Red it is showing means before line there is a error. Then you have to check here. See, here I did mistake comma. Just I need to provide full stop. Is it clear? Save. Check syntax. In which line also error is there, it will show here. See here, right slash u line at lv variable, because here I did mistake there is no space between slash and variable 2, right? So you have to provide space. Then save, check syntax now and activate it. So whatever the variables or whatever the operators you are using, space is required. Okay, then now you can execute again. See, this is the first statement I given, and this is the name I given, this is the latest string I given, right? This is the demo program. Like this it will show. Okay, is it clear? Hello
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Praveen, is it clear? No.
Yes, sir. Not clear.
So I will give one sample today, just how you need to generate, and like one sample program assignment I will give you. Please practice that. Okay, I'm not going in depth now, so tomorrow I will continue with this. Okay, please practice the same steps. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, fine. Thank you so much.